Hey, everyone. Welcome to iToday, Skill Sparkles. Today, we're going to learn how to create a stunning PowerPoint presentation with an amazing target shape effect. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take a rounded rectangle and slightly adjust the border radius. Step 2. Now, copy this shape and place it below, then to the left of the bottom one, and finally above the bottom one. Step 3. Change the second and third shapes into circles to create the target shape formation. Step 4. Select all the shapes, go to Merge Shapes in a Shape Format section, and click Fragment. Step 5. Delete the first and fourth shapes to refine the structure. Step 6. Now, select the remaining shapes, go to Merge Shapes again, and select Union to unite them. Step 7. Finally, clone the shape twice, place a circle inside each, and add your desired text.
And that's it.
A professional PowerPoint target shape in seconds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.